Hello and welcome to Picking Principles. Today I'm going to try something a little different. You'll remember this Davidson extra security lock from some earlier videos. I've already discussed the fit, the finish, and the picking of it. And just as a quick reminder, on how to pick it, just quickly put in this, pick up just the top disc, work from the bottom, and see about getting this one open. First bottom disc is a zero cut. There's a good click there. Good click there. Good click there. Oh, skip the disc. No, that one must be zero. And got that one open. What I'm going to try to do now is open and pick the other two in succession, all in one video. I forgot that had to be in. I don't know why I'm doing this on camera. I'm going to try not to mix up the keys either. And I will show that all the keys are different from one another, from lock to lock. At least I assume they are. I haven't opened this yet to really know. But a cursory glance at them does appear as though they're different. So this is the key to the first one. And well, it won't even rotate all the way. Hopefully this one will. Yep, this one rotates all the way. So that's the key to this one. And while we're at it and have the knife out, let's open up this one. And these are kind of oily. And we'll see that this key works in this one. And presumably, no, won't turn all the way in that one either. So, 3 different locks with 3 different keys. And some out-of-box, hopefully, out-of-box picking. There, inside, just pick up the top disc. And again, work from the bottom. Slips off that one. And that's going to be a 0. That felt good. Let me go back to a 0 to tension in case that wasn't. I think we got it. Oh, darn. I think maybe I had it and then lost it. All right, back at it, I guess. See what I missed. always the way. Now, if I was as good as Chris Capune, I could probably just look at the key. That one felt really good. I even got a little bit of core rotation. No, I had that one in the right gate to begin with, all the way back. That's good. Anyway, I was just saying I could just look at the key, tell you what the cuts were, and then probably rotate it the proper amount too. Sorry, I'm not really narrating much. I'm trying to concentrate. Oh, fool me twice. Didn't that look like an open to everybody? Well, this one's certainly trickier than that first one. I feel like everything's in the right gate, so I must be close. Okay, that feels good. That feels good too, but let me see if I move it out. Nope, it was good. Back in. That's in a gate. There we go. And the final one. Rotate all these one direction. Not that I need to. Just makes it a little bit easier because you're picking in one direction. But the second time through, you pretty much are picking in multiple directions anyhow. If you didn't catch it on the first, anyway, it is locked as you can see. If you didn't catch it on the first time through, anyway, that's how I do it. Okay, so probably in too deep. I'm gonna come out a little bit, so I'm only on the first disc. Okay, and at the bottom, work my way up again. So I'm just spinning the tip right now because I'm trying to find the hole so I can get to the first disc. I haven't actually gotten into the first disc yet. There we go. Oh, went too far. I don't know if I set that or if I slipped off. Let me see. Get back on it. That feels okay. We'll come back to it if we need to. That's good. No, went all the way around and stayed gritty. So bring it back to zero cut. Nothing there either. A little bit of rotation on the core there, it felt like. And there we go. Got the third one. Okay. Whew, that was exciting. I don't do too many out-of-box picks. I was happy to be able to do it for these Davidson Extra top security. As you can see, they are top security. Thank you everybody for watching. If you like what you've seen here, please hit like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.